Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Guts Learning. Today in this tutorial we are going to study C language and teach you. I'm going to teach you everything you need to get started with C. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is our first tutorial. For C language, you have to install Visual Studio Code in your PC. So here I have it is. So let's open it and start. Make a file, new file, text file, step language will be C. Okay, so here let's get started our code. Here I'm going to in this tutorial only we are going to discuss the basic structure of C language. Here I have basic structure. Let's write it hash include. These are called preprocessor directories, which are used to uh, link in library files to our program, in which the definitions of our statements are written or saved. Hash include stdio dot h. Dot h is the extension for header files. So and stdio stand for standard input output. Okay, here we have linked our library files, and let's create a main function. And this code will according to the course of metric and inter syllabus of Punjab Passport Board. So I'm using the syntax of that book to make them easy to understand. So it is void main, the main function. Void is the data type. So here this is our main function, and the output type multi-type will be multi-type and not a fixed. So here we use void, and main is our main function that will be run, and in which our actual program is written and run. These curly braces are in between the curly braces are code are written and executed, and out of the curly braces this is not a part of our program. So main is the main function, and curly braces, this is start and this is the end. At line 4 it is start, at line 9 it is the end of the program. Main function, here the parameter are written, but it is main function, so not a parameter is included here. So let's define it. This is our main function in our actual code will be written and be executed. Good luck. So for now, let's make a simple statement. Use a simple statement to let it be understood to you easily. Printf, that is used to print the thing you have written in quotation in your output. In between the quotation you write, let's suppose hello world. Okay, in between the quotation, this is the syntax. The C language is case sensitive, means that p can't be in uppercase, or it must be in lowercase. And in every end of every statement there are statement terminators are must. So let's run this. the word is printed here. Oh, congrats, you have done your first tutorial, and practice it in your phones and computers. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz for now.